People are literally bored and frustrated with low-effort AI content. And unless you want criticizing comments, people abandoning your video in just a few seconds and the algorithm completely destroying your reach, you can skip this video. Then later ask every guru why your videos aren't getting any views. It's simple. Your video sucks. I'm sorry if that hurt, but it's bitter truth. You're not making what people want to watch. It's that simple. The solution? Use AI as an assistant, not as a full start-to-finish content creator. People don't care about your efforts or the money and time you spend making that video. They're here for entertainment or education. So produce what they want with your own creative touch. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with a niche that's absolutely crushing it right now. Check out this channel, No Sense, 94,000 subscribers, with just 57 videos. Their most viral video was uploaded just 4 months ago. Another one went viral just 1 month ago. And it's not just those two. Their other videos are also pulling some serious eye-catching numbers. In the past 7 days alone, this channel gained 97% more views and their revenue falls between $800 to $2,000 a month. These videos are evergreen. They keep getting views months after upload because they are not dependent on trends. And the videos are only 2 to 3 minutes long, which makes them fast and easy to create once you understand the system. So what is this niche? It's simple stick figure and other element type of animation combined with psychology storytelling. Relatable human behavior topics explained through clean visuals and simple editing. Here's the key difference. These videos use manual editing with a human touch, not pure AI slop that everyone's tired of seeing. Today, I'm breaking down the complete process from creating a channel to designing an eye-catching thumbnail. Most importantly, in the previous video, I announced a giveaway, and today in this video, winners will be picked live in front of you, so don't miss it. Starting from creating your channel. Simple, but yet, this step alone decides whether your videos get views or they stay buried at 0 views. Because the way you create your channel tells the algorithm whether to prioritize it or ignore it from day one. So let me show you the right way. First of all, you need a channel name, and for that, we will paste a prompt inside of Claude. We will be using Claude for this purpose. About the prompt, this prompt and all the other prompts we will use in this video are in a Google document, and later in this video, I will tell you how to get this document for free. Now, this prompt is going to break down Claude your entire niche, and it will generate you a list of names relevant to your niche but unique enough to stand out. When picking a name, make sure it completely resonates with your niche and avoid picking random names because your channel name also acts as a keyword of your niche. Once you pick a name, simply use that name to create your channel. Now, an unbranded channel won't be as trustworthy as a branded and properly SEO optimized channel. So for branding, we first need a channel logo. And for that purpose, we will use the next prompt from the Google document, which is for channel logo. Provide this prompt to Claude and it will generate you a list of different image prompts, which you can then use to generate your channel logo. For logo creation, you can use any AI tool of your choice. I have generated these 3 images and I am going to finalize one from them. After that, the most important part, channel description and tags, without which algorithm can never identify your niche and target audience. And most people mess up here. You need a keyword-filled description. Don't write whatever comes to your mind. For description and SEO, we will use the prompt for description and tags. But most important thing, your channel name also plays a big role. So inside this prompt, you will see empty brackets. Inside of these brackets, you need to type your channel name, and Claude is going to provide you proper description with your channel name and tags as well. Now, simply head to YouTube Studio and first of all, we will upload our channel logo. I finalized this one. After that, head to customization and copy paste your description in here. After that, from the settings option, head to channel, and right here, you need to copy and paste your tags as well. Now pay close attention. In tags, you need to type your channel name 3 times. First, write it in completely small alphabets, then in completely capital alphabets, and lastly, write it just as it is written on your channel. Writing channel name 3 times in tags in all formats plus in channel description helps increase its discoverability on search results. So when people search your channel name, it appears on top. But there is a misconception among people about this feature, which is selecting a country. Now, most gurus fake it that if you choose USA from here, your most views will come from USA, which is absolutely fake. This feature is just for you to select the country where you live, and it helps build authority and trust among your audience and has nothing to do with your viewership. If you keep changing your country again and again, it can create trust issues with your audience, so don't do that and only pick the country where you live. Now our channel is ready to be published and we have created our channel the most perfect possible way. But if you don't warm up your channel, no matter if your channel is 10 days old or 10 years old, it will not get views. And most people mess up in warming as well. First of all, warm up your channel for at least 10 days. In this time period, just watch normal content. If possible, watch channels from your own niche. And daily don't subscribe to more than 5 to 10 channels. Otherwise, it will be considered a type of spam activity. This way, your channel will be a good boy in the spotlight of algorithm. As we have the channel all set up, let's move towards creating our first video together. And I'm going to show you exactly how I would make my first video in this niche. First, I would use an AI chatbot with the most intelligence and realistic output. And being very honest, for me, it has always been Claude. Now it's time to use the topic generation prompt from the Google document. Paste this prompt inside of Claude and you will see empty brackets. Inside of these brackets, you need to enter the number of topics you want. As me being me, I will enter a bigger number like 30 or 40, and the reason is simple. When you input a bigger number, Claude, like any other AI tool, will provide some surface level topics that it would normally give to anyone. But as the list goes deeper, we will have topics that remained untouched by most of the people because they always command for a smaller number. Now, as Claude provides you topics, and clearly as you can see, this is the reason I picked Claude. It has placed every topic in a specific category with proper tags about the topics, whether they are behavior-oriented or childhood type or social, emotional or whatsoever. Now, topics that are relatable and childhood topics tend to stay evergreen forever, consistently getting you views for months and some even for years, which makes these evergreen niches extremely powerful. Once you have your topics, it's time to move towards writing a powerful script. And in script writing, I will share with you some absolute secrets that can turn any AI written script into a fully realistic human written script in less than 10 minutes. That too, very easily. But first, we actually need a good AI written script, because a good AI written script converts into a professional and realistic human written script, while a poor AI written script will become even more terrible. So for getting a top-notch script, utilize the next prompt from the Google document. Paste this prompt into Claude and in the empty brackets, paste the topic that you finalized. Once done, hit enter and Claude will start writing your script. You can test this prompt in GPT and Grok as well, but after generating more than 300 overall scripts using AI till this day, I have come to a conclusion that Claude gives the most realistic results. Once you have the script, simply copy and paste it inside of a notepad. Now I need you to understand what makes a script humanistic. It's the tone it's written in. Human written scripts are uneven and not perfectly smooth. Some words will feel professional, while some will feel that better grammar could have been used. Humans never use words like furthermore, moreover, or in conclusion. These are textbook AI wordings. Plus, humans use words like but and more throughout the entire script, which AI lacks. Instead of an, it simply adds a full stop and then starts the next sentence. Even though these are tiny things which normally no one notices, but our brain does. Our brain can easily find the pattern between an AI written script and a human written script. To ease things for you, inside the same Google document, I have listed a few practical points that will help you transform your AI script, and these points are applicable on all niches out there. This way you have the most humanistic AI script. About this Google document, simply visit my Discord server from the link in the description of this video. After you land here, head to prompts, and right here you will see this prompt as well as all other prompts. This prompt will be saved as no sense prompts. After the script, it's time to generate a realistic human-sounding voiceover that is monetizable as well. And for that, the AI tool I personally use and prefer is DabDab. The reason is simple. Besides voiceover, it provides many other features as well. For voiceover, simply head to AI voiceover and then click on more voiceovers. This is the library of all the available voices. Best part, they are listed with categories, so you can see and select a voiceover that is best for your specific category. On top, you'll see some special filters where you can select the age as well as gender of your voiceover character. And most importantly, always make sure you select quality as ultra. You really need to try out different voices before finalizing a specific voice because you will be using it in every single video. Changing voiceover again and again is just going to confuse your audience, and it's not good, trust me. After selecting your voiceover character copy, paste your script in DabDab, and from this play icon, you can play and preview the voice before exporting. Let me show you a demo.
You didn't get to just be a kid. While other kids were outside doing nothing, you were inside managing something, someone's feelings, the house, the silence after an argument.
To export the voiceover, simply click on Export, select Format as MP3 and hit Export once again, and your voiceover is going to be downloaded into your device. Now, let me show you how you can generate and find your materials. First, I will use the prompt inside of the Google document. Once you provide this prompt to Claude inside of the empty brackets inside the prompt, you need to copy and paste your entire script all at once and hit generate. This prompt basically commands Claude to give you different types of materials like stick figure, icons, and hand-drawn picture prompts that you can generate using AI and later use in your video. Once you have the prompts, you can use any AI tool to generate your images like Nano Banana Pro. Paste your prompt, select Format as Landscape and hit Generate. Following the same method, you can use all your prompts to generate all of your images. You can see the quality yourself. The style feels like it was made by a real human, and that's what makes these videos stand out. Now, the second most powerful method I use is Canva. People really ignore Canva, but honestly, it has the largest library of icons, key stick figures, hand-drawn graphics, motion graphics, images, videos, and so on. Depending on your topic and sentences in your script, you can search for different types of graphics and stick figures in Canva, and from the graphics section, you can literally download and use them in your videos. If in case you can't understand what keyword to type, you can take help of Claude. Give it your sentence or entire paragraph and ask it to provide you keywords for searching relevant stick figures or graphics for that particular paragraph. This way, it will give you keywords which you can type in Canva and get your materials in a matter of seconds. Download all of your materials, and once done, it's time for editing, which is crucial, so pay attention. First, import all the material inside of CapCut and place the voiceover on the timeline. VoiceOver will have empty spaces for sure, so make sure to remove the silent areas from the voiceover, but make sure to remove only the big ones and keep the small ones for natural gaps. We want a smooth and balanced voiceover, not too rushed, not too slow. Once the voiceover is properly arranged, make sure to select aspect ratio as 16:9, and now simply place the material on the timeline according to the voiceover. In case you have images that are fully ready-made, you can place the entire image as it is on the timeline, and for elements, you can use a white or very light yellowish or creamish background and place your elements on the timeline. According to the voiceover, take your time in this part and creatively place all the elements. Then on elements, you can apply different types of animations from CapCut's animation library. Some animations are so unique and cool that they feel manually created in Premiere Pro or After Effects. You can try out different effects. You can also use keyframes to manually slide in or out your graphics, and using the special keyframe graphs, you can add a special animation to the movement as well. If you want to play a bit more smartly and creatively, you can also use the mask feature. For that, head to the mask feature and enable mask, then select split mask and place it on the top of the element so it vanishes completely. Then move a few keyframes forward and take it to the bottom, and you will have this reveal animation. To make it smooth, you can also add a smooth animation graph. Following the same method, you can place all of your materials. Then you can add transitions between the full images like black fade or mixed type of animations. There isn't a need to add transitions between graphics, just add them between images, then head to text and apply auto captions on your video. And after that, from the template section, you can pick a good template for your captions. Make sure to go with long captions and place them at the bottom of the screen. To make them even more professional, simply select a good font and turn the color to fully black, and now our video looks exactly like the channel No Sense. In final, you can add a good psychological background music to your video to set the mood and vibe, and our video is ready. Let's take a look at it.
You didn't get to just be a kid. While other kids were outside doing nothing, you were inside managing something. Someone's feelings. The house. The silence after an argument. Maybe you don't even remember when it started. It just always felt like your job. And nobody asked if you were okay with that. That's the part that messes with you later. Not the responsibility itself, but the fact that no one noticed the weight of it. You just carried it, quietly, like it was normal. But here's the thing, it wasn't normal. And what it did to you psychologically, most people never even connect the dots. So let's do that right now.
Okay, now let me teach you how you can create such mind-blowing thumbnails very easily. The most important element in these thumbnails is nothing else but those special and eye-catching type of visuals. Let me show you how you can create them. First, you can check up in the list of images you created whether you have any eye-catching image that can be used as a thumbnail. If yes, then you have done 50% of the work by doing nothing. If not, simply head to the Google document and copy-paste the last prompt inside of Claude. Inside that prompt, you need to copy and paste your entire script at once, and Claude is going to write you perfect image prompts that match the core concept of your video and will have those special psychological images that you can later use in your thumbnail. Using any AI tool you can to create your images, just download the best ones and then head to Canva, select YouTube thumbnail preset, and then head to the Upload tab and simply upload your best images. After that, head to Elements and search for a clear white background image and place it on the page, or you can just use the page as it is. Then place one of the best images on the page and simply remove the background of the image. After that, carefully adjust the image on the right side of the page, leaving the area on the left for the text. After that, you need to write the text related to your topic that actually tells what the video is about. If you can't figure it out yourself, just ask Claude to provide you 3 to 5 word-based, very short sentences that explain what your video is about according to your script and topic. They should be easy and simple to understand, and it will provide you with the keywords which you can simply copy from Claude and head to Canva. Go to text and add a text box and paste the copied text in it. Make sure to change the font and keep color as black. Now for the main words that actually represent the topic, we need to highlight them. For that, simply head back to the Elements tab and search for either a red or yellow color background. After that, simply place that background on the image, and using the handles on the sides, you can shrink its length. After that, adjust its size and place it accurately behind the words you want to highlight. If the background is coming on top of the text, simply right-click on it, and from the Layers section, you can send it backwards and properly adjust it. And that's literally all you need to do for these thumbnails, and they will look top-notch and ready to export. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Now let's pick the giveaway winners who will get Pro Video accounts. For that, we will copy the link of our previous video and paste that link. In Giveaway Picker, I will set the number of winners as 2, and let's see who's lucky. Okay, so you can see the name on the screen, Afro-Korean Tale and Smart Stuff Talks. Congratulations to both winners. Now, comment under this video that you are the winner with your exact winning account, and I will guide you on next steps. Until next time.